What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. All right, I'm going to try and do this on one take, no editing. Apologies for the background. I'm drying something. Anyway, market is heating up, and I want to talk about a new project that I'm in, or a new crypto that I've accumulated a position in, which I think really could do wonders this cycle. All right, so that's SUI, as the tagline or the what do you call thing says. And I want to look at Bitcoin. Let's take a look real quick. Sorry, my camera's not looking that great. So let me just get off this part and share screen here. So here we are on the Bitcoin chart. And, I want to see for this to really start, I think for us to start getting excited, for one, we got to break, this 64 area. But what we also really want to do, once we break this, that's in a sense we've established a new high. Well, actually, no, I take that back. The real thing. Let me go to the Bitcoin chart that's sort of made me famous, which I'll explain to you later, because I made this back in April, and it's really starting to follow the line that I drew. But really, things aren't going to be. I don't think we can really get excited until we break out of this channel. Once we pierce that 68, 69, I think it's possible we're going to see a huge surge. This is on the weekly, by the way. We've been trading in this zone for the last 6 months. And I don't know why people have been getting so impatient. Bitcoin is doing exactly look at this chart, by the way. I don't know why people aren't like more excited about this, or maybe they are, but I've read a lot of comments on other people's videos, and I've looked, at crypto Twitter, and it seems like people are getting bored, which I can understand, but what a great time to be accumulating it's been. And this is, I mean, look at this, like classic kind of cup and handle, bull flag. Once this breaks here, we are off to the races. And so I want to take a look. So here we are looking at SUI. As you can see, volume has really started to pick up, and this thing is really starting to surge. So SUI is being compared to Solana, and there are people that are talking about, let me widen this out. There are people that are talking about this thing pulling a Solana. If you look at Solana's chart from back in the last cycle, it almost looks identical to this right now. I should have pulled that up. Which maybe I'll do on another video, but I wanted to just jump on here. I've not prepared at all. I wanted to just jump on here and make this real quick, because we are seeing some real activity. I was watching TechPath, which is a YouTube channel you guys should check out, and they're looking on chain at the amount of people closing out their Ethereum and even Solana positions and putting it in SUI. So this thing could really take off. Keep in mind, it is a low float. So there's a lot of coins that still need to be unlocked, which, can basically, I mean, there's good and bad to that, right? So there's less tokens available, which of course then create a huge price surge. But as tokens become unlocked, that can cause price, dumps. So this thing could have a little bit of a volatile ride where we see huge swings in this. So I started accumulating in August. I don't have a ton. I have 1,000. I have 1,000 coins at exactly $1 because I started accumulating when it was lower, and I just kind of built up. I did like 4 different buys all through August and got a nice little position. So I don't know how high this is going to go, but I'm really going to try and let this thing ride. And, I would love to see this thing pull some type of crazy Solana move, and get this up double digits. Who knows how high this thing could go. But at any rate, that's pretty much where we're at. Let me know if you guys, what altcoins you guys like. Let me know if you guys think that the market, we are about to go up, or do you think we still have a couple more months of trading kind of sideways a little bit, which is very much a possibility, although October has typically been very bullish for the markets. So anyway, leave comments down below, subscribe if you haven't, hit that like button, helps me out a lot, and I'll catch you guys all on the next one.